Travis Rogers with Bobby from DenMat. There's a lot of buzz at the show about a couple new products. Tell us about what's new at DenMat.
Well, we've got a lot of really great products at DenMat, but there's a few that really stand out as best of class, best of breed in the industry. One of my favorite products is called the Firefly. The Firefly is actually a cordless surgical headlight system. One of the biggest problems with surgical headlights is the cord, because the cord gets caught on chairs, the doctor gets up from where they're sitting, and the cord gets caught, and then the battery pack goes flying everywhere. So we've eliminated that problem by creating a light pod barrel that's got a battery integrated into it. So the light pod barrel itself is really lightweight. It weighs about 28 grams, and it connects via magnet to the mount, and the mount itself is a universal mount, so it'll fit on any brand of loupes. So if the doctor's using our brand of loupes, they can obviously use the Firefly. If they're using a different brand of loupes, we've got a universal mount that will attach to their loupe so that they can use the Firefly. The light itself, as simple as it looks, it was a challenge to make this light. It was a challenge to deliver what's effectively 2 hours of runtime per light pod barrel. That would output at a high power output. It runs at about 30,000 lux, and that will deliver a spot size of about 65 millimeters at a normal working distance of about 16 inches. The system itself comes with 2 light pods so that one can be worn while the other one's charging at all times. And it'll take about 90 minutes to charge. Once it's fully charged, though, it'll run for 2 hours consecutively on the high setting. So you'll get 2 light pods plus the universal mount. The Firefly, one of my favorite products.
Nice. Hey, Bobby, how does our audience get in touch with you?
It's pretty easy. You can call us at any time at 1-800-4DenMat or come to our website, www.denmat.com.
All right. Thanks for your time. Appreciate it.
No, thank you.